Welcome back to learn fluent English through direct method. Today I am taking this session only for the teachers. So I welcome all teachers. I respect all teachers. My dear teachers, you are very good at English. You teach very well. Whatever subjects you are teaching, you have sound knowledge of your subject as well. And while teaching in the classroom, what happens? I'm going to share my knowledge and my experience. You must have observed this. Whenever you enter in the class, you start speaking in English and you start teaching your subject in English. But what happens? The students start feeling uncomfortable because they always think that they need the same subject in their own language, in their native language. So they are not feeling comfortable with you in the classroom, and many of the students start opposing your language. So what happens? After a few minutes, you start speaking in their own language. This is the biggest mistake, my respected teachers. Please don't mold yourself according to the demands of students. It is very troublesome, very dangerous. Why do you follow them? Continue in English. They will oppose you. They will oppose you for 1 month or 2 months, but continue. I'm very confident because I have already implemented this technique in most of the schools in Indian cities, and I'm successful. The students in all parts of India, they will oppose you when you are teaching any subject or even English itself. If you are teaching English to English, they will oppose you. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Continue. And you will become an extraordinary teacher in the class, in the school. Because you are using your own technique, your own method. If the principal or the director in the school oppose you, don't work in that school. Tell them very clearly that I'll teach in English to English, not bilingual method. As you know that bilingual method is very dangerous. It is very dangerous because the students learn 2 languages at a time. And you know well that our mind does not work well in this kind of condition. Our mind works well when we are concentrating only on one thing. Therefore, it is very necessary for you to speak English in the classroom and also outside. You will become habitual after few days. So my dear students, I hope that I'm not teaching you. Don't think that I'm teaching you. You are capable. I respect your knowledge. But you start following the students. This is the biggest mistake. Please don't do this, and please apply this formula and talk to me. You will get very good results. Please call me on my number 9179653494. Thank you very much for listening me.